Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 unidentified network no internet access problem. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net sh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type net sh space, winsock space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Restart system. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Ether adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Change DNS server addresses. Third method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Disable and enable Ethernet adapter. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Change to obtain DNS server address automatically. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Network Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. Fifth method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Additional Network Settings, click Network Reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, see you next video.